Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable voice in Character AI mobile. For that you just have to launch your Character.ai mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account first. Now once you have successfully logged in, you first have to create your own character in order to enable voice into it. So in order to create your character, you need to tap on this plus tab in the bottom, then you need to tap on character. Now you will have to give your character a name, so you just have to type the name over here, then you need to press next. After that you need to press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and now you will have to type the greeting line. Over here you can type anything that you want your character to say to you whenever you type hello to it to initiate the conversation. Let's say I type my name is Hina, then you just have to press next. Afterwards it will ask you to select the visibility, so over here you can keep it as public, unlisted and private. After that you just have to choose between remixing and protected. So if you choose the remixing, then others can view the definition and use it as a template for their own character. So after selecting it as per your convenience, you just have to tap on the next button in the bottom. Then it will give you some more options, such as you can enable image generation with your character. So if you want to enable it, then you will have to check this box of image generation. You can even add subtitles, description and character definition if you want to. After that you will have to tap on the create button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be able to see that now you are within the chat with your character that you have just created. So if you click on these three dots in the top, then you will be able to see some other settings relating to your character. Now over here you need to tap on edit character option, and here if you scroll down you will be able to see the option of a voice chat. So you just have to tap on the voice chat option and then you just have to turn on the toggle button right next to it. This way you just have to press the save button in the bottom right hand corner in order to enable it. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.